Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up your service provider profile. In this guide, we'll walk through every step to get your profile fully configured and ready to accept bookings. First, let's start from the app dashboard. You'll see your total earnings, bookings, and other statistics displayed on the home screen. At the bottom of the screen, notice the navigation bar with 5 icons: Home, Bookings, Rewards, Services, and Profile. To begin setting up your profile, tap the Profile icon. Next, let's add your banking information. Tap on Bank Account Details. You'll see 2 tabs at the top: Saved Accounts and New Account. Since you don't have any saved accounts yet, tap on the New Account tab. You'll now see 2 fields: Bank Name and Bank Account Number. Tap on the Bank Name field to select your bank. A search screen will appear with a list of available banks. Type your bank's name into the search bar. As you type, the list will filter to show matching results. Tap on the Bank Account Number field. A numeric keypad will appear. Enter your account number carefully. In this example, we're entering the account number. After entering your account number, tap the Submit button at the bottom of the file. Tap OK to close the dialog. Now you can see your saved account information by tapping the Saved Accounts tab. Your bank name and account number will be displayed here. Let's head back to the main profile screen by tapping the back arrow. From your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. This screen shows all your personal and business information, including business name, full name, email address, phone number, and business address. Notice at the top there's a circular profile picture with a small pencil icon. We'll come back to that in a moment. First, let's add a business address. Scroll down to the business address section. Tap the button that says Add New Address. A dialog box will appear with 2 fields: Address and Landmark. Tap the Address field and start typing your address. As you type, the app will suggest matching addresses. For this example, we're typing 4 Parkview, Ikoyi. Notice how suggested addresses appear below as you type. Select the complete address from the suggestions. Now, tap the Landmark field if you want to add a nearby landmark for easier navigation. This field is helpful for consumers finding your location. Once you've filled in the necessary information, tap the Save button at the bottom of the dialog. The address will now appear in your business address section as Address 1 with an Edit button next to it. Now let's update your profile picture. Tap on the circular profile picture at the top of the screen. A menu will appear at the bottom with 2 options: Edit Profile Photo and Delete Profile Photo. Tap Edit Profile Photo to choose a new image. Select the image you want to use as your profile picture. The image will be uploaded and your profile picture will update. After making all your changes, scroll to the bottom and tap the Update button. This saves all your profile modifications. Tap the Add Service button. A form titled Add New Service will appear. Let's fill this out step by step. First, add a service image. Then add a service name. Now tap the Property Type drop-down. A list will appear showing different property types such as 1-bedroom studio apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, retail store, and others. Select the property type that matches your service. For this example, we're selecting 1-bedroom studio apartment. Next, tap the Service Type drop-down. You'll see options like Basic Cleaning and Deep Cleaning. Each option includes a brief description. Tap on your desired service type. For example, selecting Deep Cleaning will show a detailed modal explaining what's included. The modal shows all the services included in Deep Cleaning. Tap the Price field. A numeric keypad will appear. Enter your service price. For this example, we're entering $500 as the price. Once you've filled in all the required fields, tap Submit at the bottom. Your service will be created and you'll see it appear in your services list with all the details you entered. If you need to make changes to a service, tap the 3-dot menu icon on the service card. A drop-down menu will appear with options to edit, suspend service, or delete. Tap Edit to modify the service. You'll see the same form you used to create the service, but now pre-filled with your existing information. Make your changes. For example, you might want to update the price. Tap the Price field, clear the existing value, and enter the new price. Submit to save them. The service will update instantly and the new price will be reflected in your services list. And that's it. You've successfully set up your complete service provider profile.